frog.
A what?
Frog.
Frog?
Never mind. Oh, Christopher. He ate frogs like.
Ugh.
I like frogs.
There's a bug right there.
Where?
No, I'm gonna say that. Don't be scared. I see something moving right next to you.
Shut up. Christopher, I'd shut it if I were you. You okay?
Yeah?
Wait, how do you get down there?
You sit.
Why?
No, don't really slide, just kind of.
Where's the frog?
Hey, where's Miles? Where's Miles?
No, I'll get down by myself.
Are you sure? Because I won't pull you into the river.
I know.
Let's go. No. This way over here. Chris, over this way.
Wait for me.
Here, go that way. Go that way.
Where's Miles? Running?
Miles running away from this. Good job.
Good job.
What's going on?
We're all gonna die.
Why don't you call your dad and just ask for the number?
It's under here.
Hmm?
Why don't you just call your dad and ask for
Hey.
the number?
Huh?
I wonder what's under here.
What? Oh no. Chris! Chris! Come here.
What? What?
Come here.
Go.
There's a snake. He's screaming. Go.
Lex, there's a snake! There's a snake! I can't see it! He's hiding in the bushes! There's a... Oh my god, run! It's a green snake! It's a green snake! I'm not playing!
You wanna go in there? Shut up. Thank you for holding it. Ow.
Are you okay?
Sometimes you have to whack you one day. That's not very... That hurt.
Oh, I know what these are now, those little balls. They're nuts.
I could have told you that.
What? Alexis likes nuts?
Yeah, that's what she said.
No.
Oh, then you like the other thing.
Who's nuts?
And I was still. Ain't y'all Lima. They are nuts.